In this video, I'll show you how to link Chime to your Fidelity. So first you need to do is open up your Chime application and then log in your account. From the dashboard, click on your setting icon at the top. Simply click on that. Going to open up your page. From here, under the account information, you will see your routing number and account number. So just copy these numbers somewhere safe. And after you have copied all of these numbers, you need to open your app and then log in your account. After you logged in, simply click on this profile button at the top. Under the profile, you will see a option payment and transfer. So simply click on that. Then on this screen, click on this add button at the bottom. Then from here select FT and then click on this continue button at the bottom. Then again click continue button. Then from here select electronic fund transfer option and then who owns this bank account, select here myself, and here is this a business a bank account, click on this no, and after this enter my account on my own option and then click on this continue button. And once you do that, you have to enter your Chime bank details and then click on again link button, and once you do that, your Chime bank will be linked to your Fidelity account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.